Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Cassandra. If you are new here, I hope you subscribe. Today's video, I do this makeup and I do it without a freaking mirror, which was very, very difficult. But I have Autumn here on Facetime. She also did her makeup. But honestly, let's just get right into the video. Did I already say subscribe if you're not already? Subscribe if you're not already. Anyways, let's get started. This is gonna be so much harder for me because I can't wear my glasses at the same time, so I also can't see, and then I'm doing it on FaceTime. Put my primer on. I'm scared for this thing because I can't see.
Oh my god.
Ow, ow, I can't. I don't know how people do this without a mirror.
Oh my god.
I'm like so close to you. This is so hard. I'm squeezing my eyelid. This is like painful.
That looks so painful because
it hurts. I got it finally, and now I just have to. This is actually like harder than I thought it was gonna be already. And I've done.
Ew, your eyeball.
I don't really think that did anything though.
It looks curled.
I can't see. Like I genuinely cannot see. How are you not picking up the laptop and like getting closer?
I zoomed it in.
How the hell? Oh, you're on your laptop? You can do that? See, I didn't want to do it on my laptop because my laptop is like really, really crappy resolution, so it would look so fuzzy. Okay, then I'm gonna go ahead and do eyebrows. Okay, I literally can't see. You're getting an up close and personal view of how bad my eyebrows are. This whole video is just gonna be me saying, oh my god, I can't see. I can't even like get, I think it looks okay. Does it look okay, guys? We're just gonna say sayonara to this because I'm over it. Okay. Next, I'm gonna do color correction. So I'm gonna do these colors. So I'm gonna do green first. Oh my god, I just missed the dot completely.
What's you?
Bless you.
I thought I had a sneeze.
I think it's so funny that you say a chew before you sneeze. I'm not even looking. I'm just hoping for the best here. I'm so sorry about the lighting in this, guys. It's really like I'm struggling. Now we're gonna go ahead and do my foundation. I should really buy a new one of this. This is probably like 5 years old.
What?
I put way too much on this. Now what do I do?
Some creepy guy just went in the backyard of my neighbor's house. I hope he
and
knows
it's not your neighbor?
No.
That's kind of concerning.
And he came in this sketchy white van too.
Autumn, I'd be so concerned.
That's why I keep looking over there. I'm like, I don't know what I should be doing right now. This is not me just witnessing a burglary. Or burglary. Oh my god.
Wait, now you got me messed up. Burger. No, I can't say it. Burglary. It sounds.
Burglary.
This is hard. I can't see. I look way tanner on camera and I'm here for it. The next thing I'm gonna do, what am I gonna do? Highlighter on my face. Ooh, that was a lot. That was way too much. It's okay, it's too late. Oh my god, I'm gonna have to put on fake lashes. I just realized that and that's kind of scary. I'm gonna do my contour. This is not gonna be even. I can't. Uh-oh. That was really bad. Should I do my nose? I'm gonna try my nose. Ooh, I went too far in. Don't look, Autumn. Don't look. I really should have done that with a brush. I don't even know how to contour my nose. I literally just like make it up. Like I don't really know what I'm doing. Is my nose contour whack?
That's weird.
I know.
I think there's like this one strip of line down the middle.
We're just taking this and doing this.
Blend it out. Blend it out.
I don't know what I'm doing. I don't really think it did anything to my nose, but anyways, moving on. This is gonna be the part that's gonna be so bad because I can't see to make a straight line, and I bake my contour like a way to try and make it straight. How is that, ladies and gentlemen? How is that? Do I even want to do eyes though? Like, do I really want to?
Who doesn't want to do their eyes? Eyes are windows to the soul. You better have some good curtains on.
That's so cheesy. All right, I'm gonna do my eyeshadow, and I don't know what I'm doing, so.
So you're gonna do something crazy. Yeah, go with that shirt you got on.
What? These are the colors I have to choose from, Autumn.
Are you
so
not?
What do you want me to do?
Are you not gonna blend in the highlighter? Isn't that highlighter?
Under my eyes?
Under your eyes and on your chin, cheek?
No, that's not highlighter.
What is it?
It's powder.
You thought you were gonna leave it like that.
Sometimes you're gonna blend that in, honey. Like,
oh my god.
No, my god, that's funny. That's so funny. funny. I need chapstick. I'm just gonna do it brown because I don't really know what else to do. It's just gonna go all over now because, wait, which one did I use? I don't know what I'm doing. Help me. Oh wait, how do I do this with, this is hard.
What in the world are you doing? You see, you're using that like as a stopper kind of?
Yes, but I can't see. Yeah, that worked. Okay. This is hard. Why do people do eyeshadow on them daily? Like, I can't see. My right eye is worse, so closing. Oh my god, this is hard. I can't do this. Okay, now what color do? I didn't mean to pick this color. I thought it was way lighter. No!
We're good. I have a reflex.
She knocked my palette off, like all over, or just in the inner corner. Like, should I stop? Oh, powder on my eye. Oh my god. I don't think this looks good. Okay, well, I still don't know what I'm doing.
Yeah, it looks the same. It's like sisters.
Okay, I suck at this.
What happened?
I just got powder all in the
Blow
palette.
Isn't it transparent?
Yeah.
Blow it. Told you to blow it.
Everyone's
So unfortunate about
in
this.
my room.
Pick a color.
Like, no one talks to me except for when I'm trying to film. I genuinely don't know how I'm supposed to put these on. I can't see.
You can do it.
Okay, what is happening? It's not coming off the damn tweezer. I don't like this. Oh my god, I hate myself. I think I'm actually gonna need to cheat. Like, I can't do this. Look at my eyelash on them. I can't do it. How does it look? I can't even see how it looks, bruh.
The inner corner is not laid down.
Where is it? It's up in the air?
It's not glued down.
Where is it? I
What do you
can't.
mean? It's on your eye.
I can't see where it is. I'm moving on to the next one. I'm not gonna sit here for 4 hours trying to do this. Ow! 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 I hate this so much. I'm gonna. How long did that just take me? I feel like it literally took me like 30 minutes just to put those eyelashes on. Oh my god, the front of that is completely off. I mean, I can't see, but I'm pretty sure they look bad. I wonder if I can count how many times I say this is hard or I can't. I really want to get LASIK because imagine just waking up and being able to see. This makeup look literally does not match my shirt at all. Oh, I got it on my nose. Oh, wait. I started to put the brush in the phone like it was the powder. Then the last thing, my highlighter. How much more do you have to do?
Nothing.
It's
so creepy to smile.
It's such a fake smile too. It's like not even cute. Should I try and do lips? But I genuinely like it's all the same shade. Like I don't even know how to like do it correctly. They're all just like very slightly different shades of pink.
Of pink nude.
Uh-huh. This is so berry. My lips are so gross. Oh! I just look weird. Oh my god, this is pissing me
Fix the
off.
lip. Oh my god. What changes do you make during makeup?
I'm gonna use my Morphe spray to finish her off.
Hey, we both got Morphe spray.
This is like
It's mist.
It's so good. Woo, my ring! Oh my god, rude. I also just I feel like I look so weird with chapstick with a color on my lip. But I also hate myself with a full face of makeup on and glasses. So I don't hate myself, but I just would rather not wear glasses. Let me get like up close to show them. Let me just zoom in. That would be simpler. I look so weird. I can't get over my lips. I just feel like, and then the fact I feel like this is so dark. I don't know if it's just the camera. I don't really think it looks that bad though. I look a lot better from far away. Oh, whoa, it looks way better from that mirror. Oh my god, the inner corners, they look so bad. Okay, guys, so that was my FaceTime makeup challenge. We have Autumn here. This is her result. It looks good.
Once I look closer, I'm gonna probably see a lot of things. I'm like, what the freak is going on?